You know, there's excitement in ET now, and there's a lot of excitement in the small cap stocks, and it's evident in the way how last week's data seems to be panning out. The Nifty was up, what, just 1%? But during that same time, the small and the mid cap stocks, and that data point, the small cap index is up 5%. Now this is a typical telltale sign of the market mood. From that gut-wrenching fall on 4th of June to the kind of recovery what we've seen, I guess Indian markets have just been, surprising everybody. It's FOMO, or perhaps force of liquidity, or retail participation continues. Whatever may be the underlying, cause of the market rally, the bottom line here is that the market, which was threatening to lose its rhythm on 4th of June, that rhythm in a sense has come back. That's one. Second, when you see the small and the mid cap index coming with this kind of a mojo, you need to look at the components there. And that's where I guess the components in the small and the mid cap stocks have exactly gone back to what they were in the entire, which were there in April and May, which is that PSUs are outperforming, policy stocks are dominant again, defensives are taking a back seat, IT nobody cares. Now where do we go from here? This is a truncated week for us. It's a truncated week for global markets. So just for the sake of being bearish, one should not be bearish. What matters to me, I guess, at a big picture level is that the flows from foreign institutional investors, they've stabilized, they're selling less and they are buying more. Net, the selling pressure which was there, or which the market had to absorb or digest in the first half of this calendar year, that seems to be reducing. So I guess right now, if you are invested in the market, there is no point in trying to call the market top. Be with the market, stay with the market. The market is giving you pockets of vigor and momentum. That is where you want to be in. And we are going through that phase in the market where there is a compulsion which is at play. So the participation in the small cap index is an indication of local crowd or the FOMO feeling. The Johnny come lately crowd is coming back. And B, FI is the fact that they're selling less, they're buying more and they're selling less. It clearly means that at a global level also, the India outperformance has started. So it does not make too much of sense to perhaps argue about valuations and earnings. The macro data is strong, flows are strong, and you just got to be with the markets.